Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zari McQueen, and today's video is going to be all about this beautiful curly hair that I have right here. This is basically like some scissor inspired. Like when I put this wig on and I made the bangs, the first thing I said was, I look like scissor. Okay girl, so this is definitely a fun like summertime look, because you know curly hair is definitely always cute for the summer because it's like kind of low maintenance. I feel like you just gotta wet it, you know, scrunch it up a little bit and you're good to go. And especially with these little bangs, it's really low maintenance. You don't have to worry about blending your closure or anything like that. So yeah, basically this hair is courtesy of Princess Melanin. They are a black owned hair company, and this is their Burmese raw curly hair, or raw Burmese curly hair. I have a 20-inch silk based closure with 4 bundles of 22 inches. So yeah, woo. And I'm really happy to be working with them because, you know, I love and always want to support my black owned companies, because you know I have my own company, so of course I want to help out the girls. Okay, so make sure you check them out, Princess Melanin. They are definitely like, you know, hair that looks like it could come from our scalp, and I definitely like that because I know some of you may not always want to be wearing Peruvian bone straight hair. You definitely want to have something that can mimic your natural hair, and with Princess Melanin you can definitely find that. So yeah, I'm really so happy to be working with them, and I really love this hair. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I co-washed it. And yeah, so basically let me get into a little story time about the closure. So it's silk based. I have never worked with silk based closures before, and yeah, I don't know why I haven't, but I just really haven't. So it's silk based, and I didn't know how to tint the closure, and that's kind of why I made it this style too, because I kind of messed up with tinting it, but it might work for you if you are darker than me, because I did tint it too dark. So I was on YouTube, as we all are, and I was looking at tutorials, and I found one that was really helpful, really easy, and it looked like it was straight to the point. And I definitely like followed it exactly. And the girl that, you know, the video was, she was a little darker than me, so she made it so that the scalp could look like it's hers, and I did the same, but it just looks like way too dark for me. So yeah, because you know your scalp is a little lighter than you, so yeah. Basically I kind of messed up, but it's okay because with weave, wigs, and all of that, it's so easy to bounce back from your mistake and make it look good. So you know, I actually like how it turned out. So you know, you can always make a mistake, flip it, and make it look popping, so don't even worry. And I definitely wanted to tell you guys about my mistake, because I know that sometimes in YouTube videos it looks like, you know, things are so easy and so straight to the point, and you can get things on the first try, but it's really not. And I feel like with hair, especially with me, it's definitely like trial and error. I'm definitely trying to get better at all types of, you know, wig installations, closures, frontals and stuff. I'm really working on that, and it's not always that easy. It's really not, especially when you're just winging it at home. So I really wanted to be honest with you guys and keep the mistake so that you can see that you can always turn things around. So yeah, you guys, I really love this hair. Like, I really love it. It's super soft. It's super soft, and the shedding that I did get while I was co-washing is only because I cut my wefts. I no longer do the flip over method, only because I found that when I do flip over tracks, it's not as flat on the sides, like right here. That's always where the problems are, is right here. Like you can see the track, especially with straight hair. But I decided to cut the wefts. I always cut the wefts down. No more flipping over. It's 2018, honey. Cut them wefts. But yeah, you're gonna get some shedding, and yeah, I have no complaints about this hair. I will show you guys where it falls on me, because you know, shorter hair, you know, doesn't fall regular. But if you pull it stretch length, it's to my hip, but you know, regular, it's below the boob. And you guys know I'm 4'11", so hair is always gonna fall longer on me. Okay, so remember, I have 422 bundles, but I did not use all 4. I used 3. Yeah, I used all 3. I did not use my last one, so that's just to keep in mind. I mean, I could definitely probably, you know, add another one in and it won't look bad, but I feel like this is good enough. I didn't want it too big, and I also didn't want it too, you know. So yeah, the only products in this hair is my Cantu leave-in conditioner. And I love that leave-in conditioner. I use that on basically all my hair, whether you're body wave or curly like this, because I really like how it defines your curls and doesn't weigh it down, but it doesn't have it give that poofy look. It controls and tames the curl without weighing it down. And I really like using that. So yeah, I really have nothing else, you know, to say. I just really like this hair. So yeah, tell me if y'all feeling it too. Tell me if you're feeling this scissor inspired look. This hair it's still a little damp, like up here in the roots, but for the most part it's pretty dry. I did let this hair air dry. I air dried it on my terrace because it's so nice outside, so I put it outside. And yeah, y'all, it's still a little damp, but this is how it looks air dry. Yes, you guys, if you are feeling this hair and want to see all about it, then keep on watching. Alright, so here I am just unboxing the hair. As I mentioned before, I received a silk base closure in the length 20 inches and 4 bundles of 22 inches. So yeah, I'm just basically showing you guys how it looks fresh out the package before I do any styling to it, just to really show you that this hair is the truth. It's raw Burmese, so you know that's some high quality, and you're definitely getting the most pure and raw virgin hair. Now it's time to co-wash the hair, and the conditioner that I'll be using is from mixeasy.com, and on there you can basically create your own custom formulated conditioner, shampoo, face wash, and face cream. So it's really cool. I'll have a whole separate video dedicated to that. But yeah, so you can include the different elements that you want in your wash, your conditioner. So basically I formulated it for dry hair, because for weave you always want to retain that moisture since it's not, you know, coming out your scalp. And I made it smell like milk and honey, and I think I have like argan oil, all type of the fancy stuff. So be sure to check out my next video coming out about Mix Easy, because I definitely am loving them. And gloves are definitely your best friend when you have white, freshly manicured nails. Okay, y'all, especially if you're using the technique I use to tint the closure. So the gloves definitely saved my life. That's why I definitely included them. the Cantu leave-in conditioning cream to tame the curls, just so that it's not that real big poofy look. I wanted it to look a little more sleek while still holding my curls, and I definitely like to use this on all of my units. Now it's time for styling, and to achieve my bangs, all I did was simply pull some hair towards the front, and then I used my electric hot comb to really define the part and get it, you know, to lay in the way that I wanted. I do like using the hot comb on my units because I feel like it picks up hair that I would never reach with the flat iron, and it just makes your hair just so like the flattest it's ever been, especially when you're using it on straight units that you could really run it through. But as you can see, it works with this curly hair as well. So I really recommend this, and I ordered it off of Amazon, and I think you could even pick it up in Walmart as well. Achieving my scissor-inspired hair was really easy, and I really want to thank Princess Melanin for sending this hair over to me. It was really great working with this hair, and I'm definitely excited to wear it over the summer because the weather is nice and I'm ready to go out, honey. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Be sure to share and subscribe and thumbs this video up.